Now, this type of battery consists of one nickel compound electrode and one iron compound electrode immersed in an electrolyte of potassium hydroxide, to which a little lithium hydride has been added to improve the conductivity of the cell. When the cell is discharged, the active material at the anode is nickel hydroxide, while that at the cathode is iron oxide. Now, when the cell is charged, nickel peroxide forms at the anode and pure iron appears at the cathode. There is no chemical change in the electrolyte, and its specific gravity remains the same throughout the cycle of the cell. In nickel-ion battery construction, the anode consists of a number of tubes made of perforated steel ribbon, wound spirally and held together by steel rings. The tubes are heavily plated with nickel, and the active nickel compound is packed into them. Layers of flaked nickel are interspersed with the active material in order to improve conductivity with the anode. The cathode consists of the perforated nickel-plated steel strips punched into the pockets into which the active ion compound is packed. The conductivity of the cathode is improved by the addition of a little mercury to the active material. The alkaline nickel-ion cell develops an EMF of 1.4 volts when fully charged, and it is normally recharged when the open circuit voltage falls to about 1.1 volts, unlike the lead-acid cell. However, the alkaline cells do not suffer damage if it is completely discharged. However, the alkaline nickel-ion cell is lighter than a lead-acid cell of similar capacity, but its efficiency is lower. The capacity of the cell varies with temperature. In fact, below 53 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 degrees Celsius, the capacity of the cell falls off sharply, so that it is important to ensure that the cell operates at or above this critical temperature. A typical application of nickel-ion cells is the standard 30-volt DC tripping battery associated with high voltage switchgear. In this lesson, we have learned about the nickel-ion secondary cell. In the next lesson, we will look at the difference between a primary cell and a secondary cell. Join me in the next class. Bye for now.